plus alpha upon 100 minus L1 plus beta. Now position of R1 and R2 are interchanged. Suppose now we get null point at L2. So we can write R2 upon R1 equal to L2 plus alpha upon 100 minus L2 plus beta. After solving first and second equation, we find alpha equal to R2 L1 minus R1 L2 upon R1 minus R2 and beta equal to R1 L1 minus R2 L2 upon R1 minus R2 minus 100. Now let's see post office box. Figure shows the post office box setup in the laboratory. In a Wheatstone bridge circuit, if P upon Q equal to R upon X, then the bridge is balanced. So unknown resistance X equal to QR upon P. To realize the Wheatstone's bridge circuit, a post office box is described. Resistance P and Q are set in arms AB and BC, where we can have 10 ohm, 100 ohm or 1000 ohm resistance. To set any ratio Q upon P, these arms are called ratio arm. Initially, we take Q equal to 10 ohm and P equal to 10 ohm to set Q upon P equal to 1. The unknown resistance X is connected between C and D and battery is connected across A and C, just like Wheatstone's bridge. Now put resistance in part A to D such that the bridge gets balanced. For this, keep on increasing the resistance with 1 ohm interval. Check the deflection in galvanometer by first pressing key K1 and then galvanometer key K2. Suppose at R equal to 4 ohm, we get deflection toward left, and at R equal to 5 ohm, we get deflection toward right. So we can say that for bridge balance, R should be between 4 to 5. Now X equal to QR upon P equal to 10 upon 10 R, which implies R equal to 4 to 5. So we can estimate that X should be between 4 ohm and 5 ohm. To get closure X, in the second observation, let's choose Q upon P equal to 1 upon 10. For example, choose P equal to 100 and Q equal to 10. Suppose now at R equal to 42, we are getting deflection towards left, and at R equal to 43, deflection is toward right. So R belongs to 42 and 43. Now X equal to QR upon P equal to 10R upon 100 equal to 1 upon 10R equal to R by 10, where R belongs to 42 to 43. So we can estimate that X belongs to 4.2 to 4.3. Now to get further closure, Q upon P equal to 1 upon 100. The observation table is shown below. Number of observation, resistance in the ratio arm AB, P, ohm, BC equal to Q ohm, resistance in arm AD, R ohm, direction of deflection, unknown resistance X equal to QR upon P in ohm. First observation, 10, 10, 4 left, 5 right. So x lies between 4 to 5. Second observation, P 100, Q 10, R 40, deflection is left, large. R is 50, deflection is towards right, large. R is 42, deflection is left. R is 43, deflection is right. X lies between 4.2 to 4.3. Third observation, P equal to 100, Q equal to 10, R equal to 420, deflection is left. R equal to 424, deflection is left. R is 424, deflection is left. R is 425, no deflection. And when R equal to 426, deflection is towards right. So x equal to 4.25.